I will tell you of a wonder, of a strange and special place, shouldered high up in the mountains, in a most amazing grace. It is here among the centuries, hewn of stone against the sky, where the sweet and silver waters sing a gentle lullaby. Oh, whoa, whoa. She is stirring in the silence like the shadow of a dream. Then from silent to the swirling, to the rushing of a stream. Oh, this mountain is a mother, sending forth the very own, bringing life to all the planet, more than we could ever know. To every